Good morning. Long time no see. I haven't filmed in like 6 months. All right, I'm just gonna do it. It's gonna be fine. Pep talk. I put a little update on my Instagram, so if you want, you should follow me there. Basically, I got a boyfriend and I got off Weight Watchers, but we're back. You can see my updated weight chalkboard. So last time I made a video, I was at 172, I believe, or 174, something like that. I have now gained and I am up to 184. So that is the starting point from now. My goal for now is 150. Once I get there, I will reassess and see if I want to lose more or if I don't. But yeah, we're in quarantine. I'm working from home. I feel like this is the best time to focus on trying to get back on track and making videos, because I really did miss it. And so here we are. Feels very strange to be filming with people here in my house, but we're just gonna get past it. So it's almost 11 o'clock. I haven't eaten or drinking anything. I know that's really bad. We're just going with the flow. So for breakfast, that's Dylan. What? For breakfast, I'm making soft-boiled eggs, and basically I just boil the water, put the eggs in, and then I have a timer for 5 minutes, and then take them out. I've never been like a huge fan of hard-boiled eggs, but I loved soft-boiled eggs. I've been eating them every day, and they make me happy. And some of you may be grossed out by it because it seems like it's raw, but the white part is cooked, so I'm okay with that. Dylan is behind me eating and watching YouTube, so if you hear noise, that's what that is. I'll show you guys the eggs when they're done. Okay, so here's the eggs. I left this because I wanted to show you how you do it. Like, you just crack it, obviously break it off, and you just need to scoop it out. So you don't need to peel the whole egg, which is one of the reasons why I hate hard-boiled eggs, because I hate peeling them. So this, you only got to peel it like a third of the way, and then you get this, and you see obviously the yolk is still runny. That's how I like it. It's what I'm gonna eat. 0 points, and I'll see you the next time I eat something. Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock. Normally I'd be having lunch, but I'm waiting on my boyfriend to make my lunch because I don't know how to cook the certain thing I'm having. I'm not trying to be elusive to be like exciting, but I just would rather show it later. So I'm gonna have a little snack. So my snack is gonna be these strawberries that are clearly on their way out. They need to be eaten today, with this dark chocolate dessert hummus, which I thought was gonna be completely nasty, but it's so good. I measured out 2 tablespoons as per the serving. I'm using an old plate. I don't want to wash dishes, okay? So this is what I'm gonna have for a snack until I eat lunch. So I'm here eating my strawberries and my little chocolate hummus, and Dylan wanted some chocolate cake, and you know, I'm not even tempted because this tastes so good that I didn't even want to eat that. He's on iPad on FaceTime. Anyway, just wanted to share that little tidbit with you guys because that's pretty exciting. Alright guys, it's 2 o'clock and I've been forced to take matters into my own hands when it comes to lunch because my boyfriend is taking entirely too long to make lunch. We are really on like 2 completely different schedules when it comes to eating. He was gonna make tuna steaks, but I'm actually gonna have tuna, my own tuna, with lunch, so I don't even know if I'll eat that later if he makes it. Maybe I'll eat it tomorrow. I don't know. I'm rambling, but let me show you what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna have this big old salad. I didn't mix it because I wanted you to see like each ingredient so I could tell you. So I have mixed greens, I have 2 tablespoons of Thousand Island light dressing, I have some garlic, I have red onion, tomato, and then I put salt and pepper. The dressing so you can see. This is the baby spinach spring mix that I'm using. And then on the side, I'm just gonna have this package of the tuna creations. I've never had this flavor, ranch. I actually think this is my boyfriend's, but you know what? I'm gonna eat it because he was supposed to make me lunch anyway, so now he owes me. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have for lunch, and I guess I'll see you guys when I have a snack. Alright guys, so it's 2:30. I just finished eating lunch. I have an hour for my lunch break, so I don't have to go back to work until 3 o'clock. Go back to work like it's not at my kitchen table. I don't have to start working again until 3 o'clock. That ranch tuna, it was okay. I don't really feel like I had a ranch flavor, but it was fine. Like, it wasn't gross or anything. I just didn't really taste ranch. Yeah, ate it, whatever. It's finished. Now I'm gonna have a drink, a little drinky drink, as my boyfriend and I call it. I'm having this sparkling ice orange mango. I'm not a water person. I actually hate water, and I know that's very strange. I do drink it. I force myself to drink it, but it's not like I'm like, ooh, I really want water, unless I'm like dying of thirst. But anyway, I'm gonna drink some of this and relax, watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, can I just say I'm like really excited to be back. maybe none of you care, that's fine. But I really love making videos and I really missed making videos, and I'm glad I had my little break. I was just chilling, eating whatever I wanted. I gained what, like a little over 10 pounds, 12 pounds, something like that. I don't know, I'm not doing the math. That's okay. In 6 months, almost 7 months, that's really not that bad for pretty much eating whatever I wanted. Yeah, I'm happy, I'm excited. My arm is hurting because I'm not used to holding the camera up anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna go relax for the rest of my lunch break, and I'll see you guys when I have my snack. It's 4 o'clock, I'm hungry again. Maybe this is where I should drink more water. But instead, I'm gonna have a banana. I have a lot of bananas back there. I don't know if you see them right there, and I need to eat them, so might as well have it for a snack. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then I'll probably see you next at dinner. It's 5:30. I still didn't eat dinner, so I'm having another snack. 2 cups of this Skinny Pop popcorn. It really doesn't taste like anything, so I added garlic powder. It's past 7 o'clock. It's like 7:15. Finally time to eat dinner. I'm starving. So for dinner, we have 1 cup of rice, half a can of beans, and then shredded chicken breast. Also have some pickled onions whilst trying to be pickled. Didn't leave it for long enough, but that's okay. Oh, look at that. Flick of the onion. I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you guys when I have a dessert. Alright guys, it's 10 o'clock, and I took a really long time to have dessert, but I was full. I'm in my room, as you can see right now. I have my vanity lights on to give me light because my regular ceiling light is terrible. Anyway, for dessert, I'm having some chocolate chips. I measured out the serving size, which is 2 tablespoons. I just wanted like a little bit of chocolate, so this will do. So this is gonna be the last thing that I eat for today. I'll put all my points right here on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Dylan wants to say bye. That quarantine hair though. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!